Our next demonstrator has a powerful natural language search tool specifically designed for travel. Eva knows what you're looking for, and here to explain the whys and hows is Barry Valinsky of Evature.
Good morning, everybody. With me on stage is Tal Weiss, co-founder of Evature, who will be assisting me with demonstrations. And we'd like to tell you about Eva. But first, let's start with a quick example. Let's say you're looking for a one-week family vacation in the summer on the beach for $600 or less per person. How would you search for that? With current interfaces, it can be very hard or nearly impossible to describe this type of request. Wouldn't it be easier and faster to just write what you're looking for and get results? Well, that's what Eva allows you to do. You type in your request and get results. Evature was founded in 2009, has been mostly self-funded, and is now profitable. Our goal was to use innovative concepts in language processing to change the user experience in travel search. So we designed Eva, a revolutionary engine based on cutting-edge algorithms designed to enable the travel industry to offer free text search to customers the same way they search for everything else. Eva is easily embedded into travel products and services, increasing conversion rates, user satisfaction, while providing with clear differentiation. So we search the web for non-travel related things every day, and almost always we use free text to describe what it is that we want. We type in our request and get results. However, when it comes to travel, we're forced to fill forms and click on various widgets and checkboxes to try and describe what we're looking for. This is especially difficult if you're looking for something with flexible dates or flexible destination, and would like to search based on some other criteria, such as price. Examples like we've seen in our first demonstration are nearly impossible to find without multiple iterations. There are also way too many attributes that are either missing or really, really hard to find on websites. But most of all, the process is just slow. Users spend lots of time clicking on stuff, while conversion rates are rapidly declining. And it's not just us saying that there's a problem. According to Forrester, a critical mass of travelers can't complete even the simplest tasks on travel websites, which may not be very surprising, as according to T-News, the user experience with online travel has changed very little in the last 15 years. You add to that according to a quote by Google, about 64% of all travelers start their search on search engines, and you may see there's some sort of a problem there. And coincidentally, speaking of search engines, why can't we just use regular search engines to search for travel? That's because search engines simply don't understand travel. Not exactly what we had in mind, right? The engine needs to have in-depth semantic travel understanding to get the responses the user is actually looking for, which is where Eva comes in. Let's see some examples of what our customers build with Eva. Amargo is a top Russian OTA, and this is their text-based flight search page. So I mentioned speed. What's faster than typing Moscow to New York next Monday? And get results. Simple and fast. Another example. This is Flight and Hotel, a UK site selling vacations. Here's a real-life example someone typed in. You'd notice that in this example, the request actually has flexible dates and a flexible destination. The user is trying to find something based on other criteria. The site needs to understand that and offer some relevant vacations, which it does. Simple and fast. Let's take a moment to look into how Eva understands travel language. What Eva does is convert free text into a structured format. A website using the Eva service would send Eva the free text the user typed in, receive back a structured form which it can use to search its own inventory. This is our technology demo available at our website, evature.com, and it's designed to show you how Eva understands travel language. Let's try the following. Cincinnati, Boston, 13 December, 2 adults, 1 child, 4 or 5-star hotel, return on 18th. You notice that Eva understands the various elements of the request and classifies them as either locations, times, people, or attributes, which are shown in different colors. Worth noting how difficult it is to understand such a request correctly. The engine needs to be able to overcome abbreviations and lots of spelling mistakes, which is just how users type in search queries. And in this particular request, the Boston needs to be understood as Boston, Massachusetts, based on geographical know-how. And the 18th needs to be resolved as December 18th, based on the context of the text. Eva is constantly learning from experience. When Eva encounters a term it does not understand, it would analyze it and improve the underlying algorithms. So we've seen that Eva can add free text search to travel websites, but you could do lots of other cool applications with Eva. Let's see some examples. This is what Travelport built on top of the Eva API. This application is called SmartPoint, and it's designed to alleviate the training requirements for new travel agents, reduce keystrokes, and simplify the booking process. It accepts free text and converts it into the regular cryptic GDS codes, and then executes them. In this example, you can see a text query converted into a GDS entry. You can also skip the GDS codes altogether and just convert the text directly into a search results page, which a travel agent can just click to book. You can also try and input complicated queries, such as this one. And of course, alternatively, you could just learn the appropriate GDS code for this type of query. Or maybe not. How about social networks? Travel companies have been trying to figure out how to generate bookings from social networks for a while, mostly with little to no success. Here's what Skyscanner, a leading meta search engine, did. This is the Skyscanner Flight Search Facebook page, which is based on Eva technology. You type in your request on the Facebook wall, Eva translates the request, and an appropriate response with some relevant flight suggestions is automatically added to the wall. The user can take an immediate action without leaving Facebook. And of course, you can do similar things with any of the other social networks. And last, but definitely not least, there's mobile. Let's say you just landed in Fort Lauderdale and are looking for a hotel tonight. You open your favorite hotel search application and just type 3-star hotel tonight. And get results. Simple and fast. Even better, let's say you're at the airport flying to Miami and would like an hotel for tomorrow. How about just say that? Hotel in Miami tomorrow for under $200. How cool is that? And with impeccable timing, this weekend on T-News, there was an article titled, "How Does Voice Search Change the Travel Industry?" And in that article, the author was wondering, what if you could say this and get a result? So wonder no more. With Eva technology, you can actually build applications like this right now. So we've seen how Eva can enable free text and even voice search for online website, mobile applications, and social media. We offer a very easy-to-use and free-to-trial API, which we highly encourage you to try out. And once you're happy with Eva and are ready for commercial deployment, we charge per usage. Travel search needs to become simpler. We believe that natural language is the future of travel search because users would like to search for travel the same way they search for everything else. Eva enables that future right now. Thank you.